friends, I'm Dr. Bindu Sujit, Additional Professor, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Government Medical College, Kottayam District of Kerala. Today, I'm going to prepare a dish called coconut crumb chicken. As you all know, chicken is a very good source of proteins and minerals. It is very important for our growth and it boosts our immunity and it's very good for our eye health. It's a very delicious and healthy snacks. It can be easily prepared. Hope all of you will enjoy the dish. I'm here with sending the video and the ingredients of the dish. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day. Friends, I am going to make a dish on based on a chicken variety. Maybe it can be used as a starter called a coconut crumb chicken. You can use it as a starter or you can use it as along with the main course, along with the chapati. It goes very well with the chapati, bhatura, naan or even with the rice. Okay. Once again, the name of the dish is coconut crumb chicken. The ingredients needed are 250 gram washed chicken pieces, and the spices needed are a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 to 1.5 red chili powder, preferably Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, and salt as desired. The next ingredients needed are 4 to 5 pods of garlic, ginger pieces, crushed ginger pieces, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, fried curry leaves, fried cashew nut for decoration, and few rinds of lime. And the last ingredients needed are 1 egg, then scraped coconut powder, and 2 to 3 teaspoon maida powder, and oil for frying. Now we are going to start the preparation of the coconut crumb chicken. So take the chicken pieces, wash the chicken pieces in a plate, add a little bit of turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, pepper powder, and crushed. We'll have to grind the garlic and ginger into paste and add it to this mixture. Add a desired amount of salt, and you will have to add a little bit of lemon juice into that. Mix it thoroughly and coat the pieces with the mixture. And keep aside the mixture for coated chicken pieces for 20 to 30 minutes aside, preferably in the fridge, so that will give the mixture a good quality crispiness. Okay. Our marinated chicken is ready after 30 minutes for cooking. Then you will have to coat it with the other ingredients like a. So you will have to take an egg and mix it thoroughly. Coat the chicken pieces in the egg mixture, and then it should be coated with the dried coconut powder and again into the maida mix. So again do with the other pieces, coat it in egg coconut, desiccated coconut and maida powder. The marinated chicken pieces is coated with egg, desiccated coconut powder and maida powder. The coated product is ready to fry. You heat a kadai, and when the pan is hot, you will have to pour either coconut oil or sunflower oil. And when the oil gets hot, you can add the chicken pieces. Really hot, you can add the chicken pieces into the oil. When the oil is hot, you add the coated chicken pieces into that. And cook both sides. Okay. The chicken is a rich source of protein, and it is very essential for the growth of the bones and teeth. When one side is ready, you like to cook the other side also. Wait till the chicken is cooked well. The coconut crumb chicken is ready to serve now. Plate it in a plate. Our coconut crumbed chicken is ready to serve now. Garnish it with the fried curry leaves and fried cashew nuts. Serve with a few wedges of lemon tree. Happy eating. Enjoy. Coconut crumbed chicken fry is a very good snacks which can be easily cooked in this rainy season with the available ingredients in our house. Hope everybody will love the flavor of it. Thank you all.